In this video, I'll show you how to redeem rewards in Microsoft Rewards and explain about Robux. First, go to the Microsoft Rewards website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main page where you can see the number of points you have. Now click the Redeem option to view the available rewards. Here you will find many items that you can redeem using your points. For example, Microsoft gift cards, Xbox credit, movies, games, subscriptions, and services. You may also find options like Uber, Spotify, Netflix, or donations to charity organizations. However, currently, Robux for Roblox is not available in Microsoft Rewards. This option has been removed by Microsoft. This means it is not possible to redeem points directly for Robux at this time. You can still use your points for other available digital rewards,